other girls that you had. If I catch him looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. He gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. He ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch him looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. He gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. I be acting up right before he come to see me.
Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Jo, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So as you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I transformed this wig, which was brought to you by Cranberry Hair. So this was a 613 14-inch bob wig, and I colored it and styled it in this cute little, you know, style or whatever. So yeah, this hair so far has been great. I colored it and there wasn't a bunch of shedding. It was just, I only got shedding when I like cut the lace and stuff like that. So yeah, this is a really cute little, you know, something spicy kind of wig, but obviously you don't have to do this color. But yeah, if you want to see this wig transformation, then keep on watching.
Okay y'all, so as I said, the wig is from Cranberry Hair. You can find them on Instagram at Cranberry Hair 2015, and their website is cranberryhair.com. So this is how the package comes looking like. It comes with a pair of lashes, super cute. Those are some bomb ass lashes, like what? They're so cute. I also got a wig cap and of course your wig. So this is the package that you should expect in the mail if you purchase with Cranberry Hair. So taking it out the package just to show you guys a close-up of how the unit is looking like. And I did get it in a 14-inch, so it is 14 inches, 13 by 4 frontal with transparent lace. And yeah, first impressions is very thick, very nice, full, not too full. And that's just the inside. It has 3 combs, 2 on each side, 1 on each side, and 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back. And it also has adjustable straps. Up close of the lace, really nice, not too thick, not bulky. So yeah, let's just get right into coloring this unit. So as for coloring, I'm going to be using box dyes. I got 2, one in the shade medium ash blonde and also light ash blonde. So I'm going to go with medium ash blonde for the roots, the frontal area, and then the remaining just for the rest of the unit. So I'm gonna open the medium ash blonde and mix everything in my mixing bowl, and then we'll proceed to apply it to the frontal. Okay, our mixture is complete, so now we're just gonna be applying it to the frontal area. So I've sectioned the hair and I'm just gonna be applying it to the roots. Yeah, because I'm gonna be applying the light ash blonde to the ends, so the medium ash blonde just goes for the roots. And I'm taking my time just to ensure that I don't get it on the lace. You should use some Vaseline or spray with some Got2b freeze spray just to avoid or for some extra protection. So as you can see, I'm just lightly applying it, ensuring that it's saturated the entire root. So yeah, just watch me do the rest of this because this process is repetitive. So yeah, all the links to Cranberry Hair will be listed in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Also, if you want to make a purchase, use code M20 for 20% off your entire order. So be sure to check the description box because there will be a lot of information down there. And yeah, so M20 for 20% off Cranberry Hair. So now for my next mixture, which is the light ash blonde, I'm going to be applying it to the rest of the unit. So right there I'm just mixing it, making sure that it's all mixed together really well. So now I'm just going to be applying it randomly, no specific order, just ensuring that all the unit is saturated and I have no more yellow hairs at the end of this process. So that's literally just basically it. Just repeat applying the hair over and over and over. So yeah, just watch as I complete this step. Also, you can section the hair and apply to individual sections, but I chose not to because this process was just way faster. This is what the unit looks like after I finished saturating it completely in the dye. So I'm just ensuring that I blend the roots with the rest of the hair because you don't want to have a harsh line of demarcation, which wouldn't be cute. So I'm just going to let this sit for around 30 to 45 minutes and then I'll rinse it out. So I'm just going to leave this on the wig stand so that it can marinate. Okay, it's cooking up that color, girl. So yeah. So this clip right here is just me showing you guys what the hair looks like after I've shampooed and conditioned the hair. So I think the color is pretty cute, pretty decent. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out, but I'm glad the way it did because I really like the color. It's really spicy, really different, really out of my comfort zone. Like, yeah, and that's how the lace is looking like. So yeah, super cute. Now I'm just going to be installing the unit onto my head, so I'm going to stop yapping so you guys can enjoy the video and just watch the process because I know you guys are tired of hearing my voice. But before I go, I just want to say that the product that I'm going to be using to adhere my wig is not a glue. It's not a got2b glue spread. It's like a hairspray adhesive from Cranberry Hair. So it's not glue, it removes with water. It's super easy to use and very beginner friendly. So I'll also have the link and information on this product below just in case you guys are interested. So yeah, just enjoy watching the installation process. Bye. So guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.